talking about Jane and Bruce Lee. Even years after the deaths of world cinema legend Bruce Lee and Malayalam legend Jayan, they still remain bright stars in the minds of the fans. Stars who die prematurely while at the peak of their fame often gain a survival of the fittest. It is also natural that there are many mysteries, allegations, and fictions surrounding such deaths. It is all about the people telling and listening to their stories of coexistence, especially if the deceased are co-conspirators. Because heroism is a phenomenon that transcends time and space. Jain is an actor who has given a new dimension to action scenes in Malayalam cinema. Jain, who gave life to fight scenes and action scenes without dupes, was ready for any adventure for its perfection. It was in such an adventure that his life was lost forever. The death of Bruce Lee, the legend and beauty of martial arts, is as mysterious as Jane's death. Bruce Lee, who conquered the world with his flexibility, death embraces him as he stands on his head as a hot-blooded martial artist. Although he has acted in only about 30 films, he has a worldwide fan base in a short period of time. And Bruce Lee is still the last world in martial arts. The mystery surrounding Bruce Lee's death is not over. There is a lot of controversy surrounding Lee's death. The same mystery exists in the case of Jain. Yes, Jain is Bruce Lee of Malayalam. Jain died in an accident on November 16, 1980, during the clash of the movie Kolilakam. The accident happened during the filming of the scene where the hero chases the villain, Balan K. Nair, on a bike and tries to subdue him by helicopter while trying to escape in a helicopter. It was adventurous without dupes. Jain's performance hanging from a helicopter. Jain died when the helicopter went out of control. On the same day, many suspicions were raised over Jain's death. Exceptions were raised that this was not an accidental death but a homicide. The name of many famous actors in Malayalam cinema were mentioned in connection with Jain's death at that time. Like Bruce Lee, Jain had a lot of enemies in the film. Since Jain's rise has made many other actors nothing, its jealousy have often been shown to Jain by many of his colleagues, both secretly and openly. Prem Nazir was the one who was most happy and helped Jain's rise that day. Prem Nazir would always lovingly advise Jain. He would specifically say to be very careful when acting in risky scenes. Jain replied that he will take care. No matter how much risk he had to take, Jain was not interested in making a film with dupe. Due to Jain's excessive interest in adventure, Jain's habits of showing adventure beyond the demands of the script put Jain in danger in the form of a helicopter accident. Although Jain's absence has temporarily benefited some of the heroes, within 3 or 4 years we have seen them all fade into the back of the film. Jain is still not dead. He was an actor who was cherished by so many Malayalis. In any case, it is not known whether Vijayanand, the director of the film Kolilakam, has given an interview about Jain's death. That is where the roots of the doubts lie. Bruce Lee is a notable actor who shines as a child artist in small roles. By the age of 18, Bruce Lee had made a name for himself in more than 24 films, both small and large. Stunt scenes were shot to speed up normal movies, while Bruce Lee's movies showed less speed editing. Bruce Lee's moves were so fast. The Big Boss was the movie in which Bruce Lee arrived as an action hero. During the shooting of the film, Bruce Lee himself made some minor changes in the script. Bruce Lee emerged as a star after the huge success of The Big Boss. Lee's film often states that the purpose of martial arts is defense only. Lee never used any kind of martial arts for the destruction of others. This is why Lee's movies are still popular today. The movie was exactly as the Game of Death name implies. He wrote and directed this film, but he did not have the luck to shoot the entire film, which was shot before his death. Bruce Lee was able to capture the image in just 28 minutes. Bruce Lee has extraordinary flexibility. He would subdue his opponents with only the thumb and forefinger of one hand. Bruce Lee's action scenes are shown in slow motion, while the action scenes other films are usually speeded up with the help of technology. Bruce Lee's actions was so fast that even eyes of the camera could not capture it. The life and death of the legendary Bruce Lee come at the age of just 32. Bruce Lee crashed during the dubbing of the movie Enter the Dragon. He was later admitted to the hospital and recovered with proper treatment. But what happened later is still unbelievable. Lee went to rest after a headache. He meanwhile took a painkiller for a headache and never woke up again. He was pronounced dead on arrival at the hospital. There were no injuries to the outside of the body. The cause of death was said to be a brain hemorrhage. The impact of Bruce Lee's death on world cinema is as great as the impact of Jain's death on Malayalam cinema. Some of the dialogues in Jain's films are of a predictable nature. They were conversations like seeing death first. Jain's dialogue in the movie Manushya Mrigam was like this: "If I ever get caught, it will be only in the web of death." The character in another hit movie, Moorkens, says, "I have to go. I am gone. My moments are numbered." The character Babu in the movie Irumbazhikal says that a family life and a wife will remain as a dream for the person like me. Fans pick up the ashes of their beloved who cremated at Mulankadagam Cemetery in Kollam at midnight on November 17, 1980. Jain's ashes are still preserved by the fans, which shows his influences in the public. The mystery surrounding the deaths of Bruce Lee and Jain can still be traced back to the years of Bruce Lee's and Jain's death. Jain and Bruce Lee are the only two superstars still alive in the hearts of the people decades after their death. People in Hong Kong find it hard to accept the fact that Bruce Lee is still dead. Jain's case is the same for Malayalis. Bruce Lee still lives in the memories of those who admire them.